Hi, team. Good morning, everyone. See, team, in yesterday's session, we started PLSQL concepts. We started, guys, means introduction to PLSQL. We started. What is the meaning of PLSQL? Means it is a programming or procedural language. Means our PLSQL is completely programming language. And also, PLSQL supports SQL statement supported as well as programming features also supported. Right. Now, programming languages means we have some properties are there. If you take any programming languages, we have some properties, control structures, iterations, exception handling, functions, right or wrong, along with triggers, procedures, packages. All these are supported by our PLSQL. These are the new concepts in our PLSQL. Okay. Next one. What is a block? Generally in C language, you say write a C program. Java also you can say write a Java program, we can say. But here we can say write a PLSQL block. Write a PLSQL block we can call. Because in PLSQL we have the different types of blocks are available. First of all, what is a block? It is a collection of both SQL and PLSQL statements. There are two types of blocks are available. One is anonymous block. Next one is a named block. These are two types of blocks. First one is anonymous block. It is also called as a nameless block. Means to write the program in anonymous block, that programs are not stored in database. Those programs are not stored in database. Permanently it is not stored. But also if you want to save these programs, you can save, otherwise the programs are not stored. So this is an anonymous block structure. Declare variable declaration, begin executable statements, exception block, and in this here declaration part, we can declare the variables and begin and we can write main logic of the program. Inside this begin and we have that exception block. So this exception block is not a mandatory, guys. It is optional. It is optional. If if you want to write exception handling programs, that time it is mandatory, guys. Okay, right. So once you remove these optionals, then this is the beginning. Right, guys. To execute anonymous block program by using / to execute the anonymous block program. Right. What is the second type of block, guys? Named block. What is the second type of block? Named block. So this type of block of statements are stored in database permanently. This type of block of statements are stored in database permanently. It stores, that is okay. Right. So NMR named block program start with create statement, guys. Okay. So all named block statements are start with create or replace. So create statement only. Okay, if any program start with create, guys, if any program is start with create, that is called named block. So all named block statements are programs. All named block programs are start with create statement. All named block programs are start with create statement. Some examples of named blocks are procedures, functions, triggers, and packages. All these are named block programs, guys, in our PLSK. If any program start with create, that is a named block to understand easily. These programs are start with create, guys. Once you write the program by using these things now, these programs are stored in database, permanently stores, no need to save, automatically it is saved. Until you can drop, it is available. These are two types of blocks. Next one. PLSK supports. PLSK supports DML, DRL, and DCL commands. PLSK supports DML, DRL, and DCL commands for support. Okay, and PLSK not supported. DDL and DCL. Directly, these two are not supported, guys. DDL commands means create, alter, rename, truncate, drop. These are, and DCL also not supported. So PLSK not support DDL. If you want to execute these two commands, compulsory we should be use execute immediate. Execute immediate by using that procedure name, we can execute. Okay. Right. PLSK cannot support DDL. Right. Next one is PLSK data types. PLSK data types. So PLSK supports all SQL data types, and it supports different and it supports some extra data types, and it supports some extra data types. The first one is, guys, single value data type. Single value data types means these data types can hold single values. Okay, single value data types means this type of data type variables. This type of data type variables. This type of data type variables. This type of data type variables can hold one value only. So these are also called as scalar data types. SCALAR, scalar data types. We can scalar data types. This type of data variables can hold one value at a time. So we'll see an example. Char, varchar, char, varchar. Okay, next one is date. Okay, long. Okay, well, these are some data types, etc. Next one is, guys, multi-value data types. So this type of data type variables can hold more than more than one value. More than one value. Examples: PLSQL table and PLSQL record. Both PLSQL table and PLSQL record, both the multi-valued data types. Like similar to arrays in C language. Okay. So the next one is reference data types. Referenced data types. These data types can take reference from other data types. These are PLSQL supported guys. Okay. So examples: percentile type, and that is called column type, and row types. Next, fourth one is Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Boolean data type means this type of Boolean data type. This type of data type variables can hold either true or false. Either true or false only, it is accepted. Okay. So this type of data variables can hold either true or false. Okay. Next one is unstructured data types. Unstructured data types. These data variables can hold images, audio files, video files, documents. Okay. Examples we know, guys. Examples: log, blog, clog, raw, long raw, etc. Examples. Okay, guys. These are the SQL and PLSQL data types. Okay. Multi-valued or composite, we can call it. Composite data types, we can. Okay. Right, guys. So variable declaration. V employee number, EMP, number of two I declare. What is the meaning of V? V means symbolic name variable to understand purpose. V means variable. That is V name varchar 2 of 10 or 20, not null, equal to narration. Enough, guys. Okay. But not null means so you must enter the value for VName at the time of declaration. Once you declare not null means this variable value compulsory. Compulsory means at the time of declaration only you should be assigned the value. But here in our example, are we assign the value? No, because this is a normal variable, but this is a not null variable. We know not null constraint, right? Mandatory. That is. What about this colon equal to, guys? Generally we read an equal to, na? Means narration is assigned into v name, but here we are using colon equal to. Why colon equal to? Why colon equal to means this is the assignment operator in PLSQL. We can assign the value into variable. We can assign the value into variables. That is nice. Next one is v date. That is common. V underscore flag variable. I declare as boolean. Boolean means you can take either true or false. Next one is v underscore job. I take emp dot. I take emp dot emp dot job percentage type. That is. What about this, guys? No. Lakshmi, it is like variable names, variables. These are the variables. Suppose here in C language, you can declare int x comma y comma z na, int I comma j comma k, right? Same here also, same right? Because our PLSQL programs are belongs to database columns, right? That's why I declare the variables in this scenario. Okay, na? These are the variable names, guys, not a column names. For that understanding purpose only, I declare here V. V means variable. Okay, understand? Right. So what about this v underscore job? We discuss later about this. This is called reference data types. We declare column type, row type, na? This is the percentage type. This is the percentage row type. Percentage row type. Okay. No. That is also discussing one by one, guys. Lakshmi, okay. So this one, boolean. No, I declare I is a variable. I declare as number data type equal to 1. Means I is a variable, guys. I is a variable. That variable here 1 is assigned to I. 1 is assigned to I. That is. Next one is v underscore date. I declare date. Na here default I write down. Default sysdate. Means the variable value it is taken by default sysdate. It is taken. If you want change, you can change, no problem at the time of executing the program. Okay. Right. I think everybody know this. What is the scope of the variable? What is the meaning of variable? What is the meaning of variable means is identifier, and also we can store the data into variables inside the program, and variable values can be changed at the time of program execution. At the time of program execution, variable values can be changed. Right now, I value right now 1, guys. Next time I write down inside the program, I change I value I equal to 20. Then what happens? 1 is override with 20. Means the variable can hold only 1 value at a time, and also each and it is override. Suppose a value 10. I written 20 here. Then print a. What is output? 10 20 10 20 Which is output now? 20 is output. Because first a value 10. Next statement is also executed. But already 10 is there. 10 is override with 20. Now it displays output is 20 displays, guys. Means the variable can change the value at a time. Anytime we can change the value inside the program. That is the scope of the variable. At the time of program execution. This. Right, guys. Next one is I declared 5 is a constant. Number of 5 common is equal to 3.14. Pi is also one of the variable, guys. Pi is one of the variable. But what I declare? Constant I declare. Constant means this is a variable constant. This variable, once I assign the value into this variable, that variable value cannot be changed inside the program. Inside the program, it is not changed because we declare as constant. above pi variable value cannot be changed. Because it is a constant. I say system clearly, it is a constant. Okay, guys, that is. Right, guys. Next one is comments. Comments. We know comments. Comments are non-executable statements. Comments are non-executable statements. So comments are used to identify our comments are description of the given statement. Description of the given statement. Actually, in real-time applications, no, comments are most important, guys. Because if you try to develop any logic, you should be write that logic. In comments, you should be right. Because you are not a permanent person in that company, right or wrong? You are a permanent employee in that company? No. Okay. If you got good salary, again you jump to another company. But you already develop on code. Another person come to your seat. He cannot understand what you write the logic, what it is going on, right or wrong. That's why in real time, once you implement any logic, either 10 lines, 20 lines, 100 lines, or at least 2 lines or single line also, you should be write the comments compulsory. What it is going on inside this logic, you should be right compulsory. Sir. That's why comments are description of the given statements. So there are 2 types of comments. First one is single line. Second one is multi-line. What do you mean by single line? Single line means Comment contains single line. We call it a single line. Okay. Single line comments. Represented with hyphen icon. Hyphen icon. See an example. Hyphen failure skill block for to display welcome message. This is the comment, guys. This is not executed inside the program. Non-executable statements. Second one is multi. Comment contains more than one line. It follows multi-line. Multi-line comments are present with the slash star slash. Example, slash star to display your message. This is, guys, program to display welcome message. That is. Next one is DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. ARG1. What is the meaning of this statement, guys? What is the meaning of this statement? In C language, to display any output, then we write printf. Right or wrong? Yes. Now here you can write DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. ARG1 should be right. That is. Okay. In Java, you write down sys.out.println. Sys.out.println. But in Oracle, we can call this. Now, it is one of the PLSQL output step. It is one of the PLSQL it is one of the PLSQL output statement. And also, if it displays it displays output. It displays output. Next one. It returns output to, this is good. It returns output to SQL buffer. Generally, once you write printf or once you write DBMS now, what you are saying, it displays output on the screen. But in PLSQL, not like sir. Once you write this DBMS statement, the output is sent to SQL buffer, sir. Okay? It cannot display directly. Next, it accepts single argument. It accepts single argument only. It accepts single argument only. See an example, DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Welcome to PLSQL. This is okay, but output sent to SQL buffer we cannot see directly, sir. But how to see the output? To see the output now, then we write down set server output on. Set server output on. Set server output means it is one of the Oracle set command. And also it sends output from SQL buffer to output screen. It sends output from SQL buffer to output screen. It sends output. That is. And also it is session value. It is session value. What is the meaning of these 3 points? I will show that practical example. Right. Now, these are the introduction to PLSQL comments, DML, DRL, DML, DRL, TCL supported, DDL, DCL not supported, how to declare the comments, how to declare data types, variables. These are the introduction to PLSQL. Okay, guys. Now, example program, guys. So, one example program, guys. So, write a PLSQL block. Write a PLSQL block to display welcome message. Simple program. I want to display welcome message only. So, begin. Variable declaration not required because I will display the output only. Na? I'm not assigning value to any variable. It's not required. So, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Welcome to world. And slash. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, copy here and paste. See, I read the program. I give the slash. Program is executed. PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Where is output? Output sent to SQL buffer. Output sent to SQL buffer. To see the output now, then you write down first set server output on. Set server output. Now select start from. Now write the program again. See, it displays out. Welcome to world. This is guys. Okay. First program not executed sets the output on, right? After that, I write on this one. Then again, I execute the program. Then it displays. Next one is write a PLSQL block to find sum of two numbers. To find the sum of two numbers, then variable declaration is required. Na? So declare, I declare the variable. Declare, I declare the variable. What is the variable I declare here? Sum x, number of 2 equal to 10. Y, number of 2 equal to 10. Then begin, end, slash. Begin, end, slash. So I write down, I declare one more variable. Z I declare as a number of 4, I declare. I declare Z as number of 4, I declare. Okay. So Z equal to x plus y. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore left. Z is out. Where that final output, it is available Z na? 10 plus 20, 30 is assigned into Z. 30 displays. Copy and paste here. Yes, it displays 30. Along this 30, I want to display sum of two numbers equal to 30. I want to display sum of two numbers equal to 30. In this scenario, what we can do, guys? Paste. What we can do? See. Sum of two numbers equal to comma Z. Okay. Observe this wrong number of types of arguments in call to put line. Because we know this put underscore line, this statement is accept how many arguments? Only one argument. But right away declare two arguments. This is the one argument, comma, this is the another argument. Is it valid? Invalid. Invalid. We got error. In this scenario, we should be used one pipe symbol we have. We know already in SQL we discussed concatenation operator. Concatenation operator we discussed. That is a Z is a concatenation operator. Okay. Now here, copy and paste. So inside this DBMS statement, how many variables, how many arguments, if you want, simply we write down concatenation. Right, guys. This is an example. So to take values at runtime, then what we can do, guys? Begin have two statements, end is only one. No. Begin, end. This is the syntax. Inside is begin end, you can write n number of statements. Suppose in C language, void main. Okay. Open bracket. You write down some logic of the program. That logic is you can write n number of lines, then close the program. This is the structure, C language structure. So in Oracle, we can call as, this is the begin, we can call, guys. This is called as end. Inside this begin end, you can write a number of statements. That's why here I written 2 statements. According to my program logic, 2 lines is required. That's why I written 2 lines. Okay? Understand, Lakshmi? In declaration part also, sir. Declaration part also, you can declare variables. How many variables are required? You can declare that number of variables you can declare. Okay? Right. To take values at runtime, then what we can do, guys? Ampersand x, ampersand y. Take values at runtime means ampersand x, ampersand y. See? Copy and paste here. X value, y value. How much? Sum of 2 numbers equal to 80. X value is asking. I entered, I input 10. Y value asking 70. Again slash. Again slash. 90, 50, 140. What about this? Neon word, these are the verifications, sir. Set verify out. Once you execute this program, it is okay. This is the example. So once you execute the programs one by one, then you can understand easily. Okay, now these are the verification, guys. If it is not required, set verify out. Set verify out. Then you can. But how many times you write down set server output? Every program you write down? No, one time is enough. Once I execute this statement one time, all programs outputs you can see directly. Once I exit, it is off. Again, you can execute. Okay, that is session valid. That is a session valid, guys. Okay. So here, this is my program, guys. Either this one or this. This is my program. So my program is executed, guys. Where this program is available? SQL buffer. Because this program is anonymous block. The program started with declare na anonymous block. To save this program, you can save explicitly. I discussed already. Save file name d:// my program 1. See, save my program 1. Your file is created, guys. Okay. See, to save the program, to save the program, okay, this is save file. Yeah. So where it is created? D call D drive PROG1. Go to the D drive. D drive. My program 1. My program 1 here. My program 1. Today, not like this is. Our file name is my program 1. My program 1. Yeah, this is our tail. It is the file. Here, it is created just now. It is created. Guys. This is the date. My program. Open this program. Open with Notepad. See. Yes. Your program is saved. This is to save the program. To see the to see the saved program. What to write down? Clear, guys. I write down get d:/my program, my program one. Get, you write down. Get means it was the program from location. This is, guys. Right, guys. To execute the program, to execute the saved program. exec d:/my prog1. My not exec. Run. This is run. Exit. Run. Execute, guys. The program is executed. It is fetching from file desired location and it is executed. Just run. These are the three methods are there. NMSO program we can save by using save file name. In future, if you want to see the program, get file name. To execute that program, run file name. These are okay. Fine. So these are some simple programs now we are discussing, guys. Okay. Try to practice all those things. In the coming session, we'll discuss remaining programs one by one. Okay. Yes. Any doubts? Any doubts on today's session, guys? Okay. All right. Okay. We'll continue on Monday. Yes, Lakshmi. $x means to take values at runtime. See here in SQL we learn already insert command. Insert command to take values at runtime. Then what you are using? $x, $y na insert command. Insert into EMP values of $x, employee number, rename. Once you execute that insert command to take values at runtime, it also same. Okay. To take values at runtime in our PLSQL or SQL, then we try to use ampersand. This is the input operator. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I share this document to your mailings. Okay. Bye.